Bro, hey boy, how are you? I see you today.
Man of God, I want make you pray for me. I won't marry.
You won't marry?
Yes, I really need wife.
That's not a problem. So, but before I pray for you, let me ask you some questions. Right now, are you employed?
Employed? No.
You must be in school, like you are in university, you are doing it part-time.
I know the school, I know school, no, but you know my agenda, school know my agenda.
Right, okay. If you are not schooling, maybe you have a property somewhere, or you own a house, an apartment.
Under bridge I they stay.
What did you say?
Sir?
Under bridge now they stay.
I wanted to ask, maybe you have savings.
I don't get account.
So you won't marry?
I won't marry.
Alright, so want me to pray for you?
Yes,
no problem, no while I will pray for you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Close your eyes. Our Father and our God.
Amen.
This stupid guy will do my front, so he won't marry. Woman, that virtuous woman, that woman will be say he don't try, he don't work, he don't struggle, he don't go school, he don't go job. In the hands of this useless, stupid, that man. You won't marry. Why you move your hand now? You say, make I dey pray. Make God deliver woman, a successful woman from the hand of this a useless man like yours.
I say, may you pray for me.
I dey pray, na prayer I dey pray.
Maybe God so say he who finds a wife finds a good thing.
You want good thing when you never prepare for any good thing, and you want a wife. So what you want to take feed wife? Job you no get, school you no go, you no get house, you no get anything for your account, you no get future. What do you get, sir? You get only head. You get head.
No.
Ross, please, I have next person to attend to. Oh yeah, Alele. I know they look for someone like you. Alele, where they go?
No.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You want marry?
You go sell though.
Yeah, man.
Not be fixing my life for your church again.